This is the set-top box which we are currently putting into hotels. The system is integrated with hotel concepts or with Opera, along with the telephone system. When a guest is registered via reception, a message is automatically sent to the TV within the guest's room. The telephone system is also updated, so when the guest calls reception, instead of having a room number, there is the guest name and the room number. Now the messaging system is on this is quite sophisticated. The hotel can send a message to either a single user, or to a group of users, or to the whole hotel. Now the cool thing about this is that if you have a happy hour in the bar, the reception can send a message to the hotel saying, okay, cheap drinks. Now the messaging system itself, there's two different ways that the client is alerted, either by a flashing icon in the far right hand corner, which you can see now, a little envelope which is currently not flashing because there's no messages in the system because we've just read it, or when the guest presses the menu button, or when the TV is first switched on, it will automatically go into the messaging system to display any messages that is there. Now some of the other features that we use within messaging is our click to dial. Now this basically is just showing a description of the way this is actually working. Now basically what it is telling the guest is that if he presses the red button, he will call reception. Now the telephone next to the TV at the moment is supposedly a telephone in reception. So the guest presses the red button on his remote, and what you then get is the telephone in reception rings. Now as soon as the reception picks the telephone up, the telephone in the guest's room will start to ring, and the guest is then collected to reception. Now this can be built and in various different ways. You can have a series of questions such as I want housekeeping, in which case if a button is pushed, a pager on the housekeeping will go and housekeeping will come. Maybe the guest wants to know ask a question, in which case an email can be sent, or an SMS, or it's extremely versatile. Now the other cool things about this system is the integration with Facebook and with Twitter. Now this system itself is basically has a connection into Twitter. Now the guest can send a tweet to the hotel, and the tweet within a couple of minutes will then appear on all of the tweets on all the TVs within the hotel. So if you're there with a group, you can message each other. If you're there with family, you're in separate rooms, you can talk to each other. You know, it's just a nice little toy that can be played. You can also use it for advertising, because you know, with Facebook and with Twitter, you've actually got to either follow the tweets, or with Facebook you've got to friend the hotel, and you can then send messages and receive messages. We have the TV guide, quite self-explanatory. It's now and next. And again, the TV guide, what we can do is we can set a flag with concepts or with Opera. So if you are a German guest, then instead of seeing all the Dutch channels at the beginning, you'll see all the German channels. If you're a French guest, then you'll see all the French channels at the beginning. We have weather. Weather can be set for this city, which is Amsterdam, or for any other city. We have, yeah, this is the messaging system, which yeah, we've already shown you. Yeah. We have, within settings, we have our wake up alarm. Now, please remember that this is a menu structure that we have put together. Now, the menu structure can be modified and changed to suit you. The background pictures also can be changed. So there's nothing about this menu or about this skin that is actually fixed. So just to show you the wake up call, currently we have got two options here. One is to be gently woken up in the morning, which I will, it's about 30 seconds, and so while I'm showing you that, I'll show you the, what have we got here? We have TV guide, we have apps, we have services. Yeah, that's about it really. We had just to wait for a few seconds until the alarm hits. As you can see, it's quite a pleasant alarm. You can have any kind of alarm in there you like. You know, if you want to do the funky chicken, we can put that in there for you. And you know, if you want to be woken up gently, we can also do that. So yeah, that's about it. The other thing I should tell you is that the whole system is integrated with Hotel Concepts. We have a middleware system. The middleware system is constantly monitoring all of the set-top boxes. So if there is any problems at all on a set-top box, a message is automatically dispatched to our engineering team, and we are on our way to fix the problem. And in a lot of cases, before the guest himself knows that there is a problem. Yeah, and that's about it. Thank you very much.